heading out to Audi versus the world. Anyway, guys, I got to go take the car to Greg Wilbarn. If you can, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's go get these Audis. Peace. All right, everybody, there's Demonology. Getting ready to go to the getting ready to go to Houston and race in her dirty Lexus. Baby, what happened to your car? It rained the other day. It was raining. Yeah, that's right.
Go take it and get it washed for me.
I need to go take it and get it washed for you. So what do you like about this car that made this better than driving a Trackhawk?
I don't want that Trackhawk.
Huh?
I don't want that Trackhawk.
I don't want that Trackhawk. I told you she didn't want that track. I tried to get her in the Trackhawk. She didn't want it. She want the Lexus. All right, Greg, I forgot to bring my GoPro to. Hey, what's going on, brother? How you doing?
All right, how you doing? Hey,
nice to meet you, Miguel.
Car, man. I've seen
Thank
you
you.
race. That's awesome, buddy.
Hey, man, it's all a credit to him helping me out, showing me what to do. Let me get in here and get the work. Race ramps.
Race ramp. Allow those low cars to drive up.
Man, this is a lot bigger than that other trailer.
Oh yeah.
So can 2 cars fit in here, Greg?
No, just a dog car or a smart car. I mean, you can literally put a smart car in there. But.
All right, guys. So my job is to make sure he don't fall off the ramp. I sure hope I can do a good job. Yeah. You need me to turn the mirror?
I never had to turn mine.
All right. Oh yeah, it made it. It made it. It's good.
How about swing fingers?
No, we good. Yeah, woo! Yeah, it made it. Wow. Now let's see Third Degree get out of here. You know I couldn't get my fat butt out of this thing. Look at him. Man, just step right out like he NASCAR. Boom. There it is.
Just like that. Now I got it tied down.
Guys, I'm not gonna even pretend that I know what I'm doing here. Oh, okay, so this is not a 5th wheel then, Greg.
Not a gooseneck.
It's a gooseneck. So why did you go gooseneck over 5th wheel, Greg?
This trailer. 5th wheel's more for camper. Like a camper.
What is that little ball thing right there?
That's what I use to back up with, old school.
Okay.
Because I don't have
I
I got a backup camera, but I hadn't installed it yet.
Okay. And so what? When you hit that, it'll let you know?
Yeah, it keeps that in line. It's moved over a little bit, but it keeps it in line. So when I'm backing up to it, I can back right up to the ball.
Now, what's this little thing right here? You can jump out. It got a back escape right there
What's that?
on the back of the wall. That opener.
That's where all the hydraulic stuff is.
Oh, okay. Oh.
That way it's got a hydraulic arm that lifts it up off the trailer. None of that cranking stuff.
We need to put some more air in the tires?
No, I just heard them. They got 80 pounds in it.
Wow. We ready to go.
You ready to go? All the air, all the tire pressure, everything. I already checked. Everything is full. Good.
All right. The Silver Streak is ready to get us on down the road. All right, guys, check it out. Had a real good time at Audi versus the world. I was able to race quite a few Audis as well as some Ferraris and some other exotic cars that was there also. Guys, the Audi is a really fast car depending on how you tune it, how you set it up, and what different stages that you put on it. I was quite surprised. Unfortunately, the side of the track the Audis were ran on was not prepped that well. Some of them was having a hard time hooking up, but the guys there at Houston Dragway got out and re-prepped the track and kept the track prepped to make sure nobody had a big slip up and run into the wall. It kind of started misting on us a little bit off and on, but They were patient with us, and as soon as the mist cleared, they would go out and re-prep the track, get it back dry, let us make some more runs on it. Anyway, guys, I had a great time, met a lot of good people. If you hadn't experienced Audi versus the world, if you have an Audi or an exotic car, you need to make this event, guys. It was just amazing to get out there amongst real good people, have a good time, and get to experience your car at its best. Anyway, guys, I'm Demonology. You know what I'm doing. Snatching soul. Peace. Don, and you're with who?
Audi versus the world.
Audi versus the world, man. I really appreciate y'all inviting me down here to this thing. We're gonna have a good time. And what's your name?
Carl. I'm the guy that texts you. We're the ones kind of
okay.
Yeah.
Hey man, Carl is the guy that texts me to come down here and get beat up.
That's right.
And so we're gonna have a good time.
We're blocking in if nothing else.
Oh, so you're Brooks's friend.
Yeah,
So you're Brooks's buddy.
Yeah,
okay. Hey Brooks, look man, your buddy came, but you didn't come, and then you was making a video the other day beating up the demon again. Come on, Brooksy. I gotta see you, man. Look, you don't want to come to Texas. This would be the OK Corral if you was to show up. Hey, show me your cars, guys. What do y'all got over here? All right, brother.
Good to have you out.
Hey, so what you got right here, Mickey?
Twin turbo V8 4.0.
Okay, do you have a stage 1, stage 2?
Stage 3.
Stage 3. Okay, is stage 3 first, then 2, then 1, or what? Or is it backwards? I don't know.
All at the same time.
All at the same time. hey, he said he got all the stages. Don't worry about it. So what makes this a stage? Oh Lord, look at the interior on this thing. Stop, man. Man, if my wife was to see this, I'd have to fight her. This is like a damn purse, man. Come on, man. What is this, Gucci? Oh, Lord, man. Cause look at the ladies. He opened the door and the ladies come running, man. This is not a Louis Vuitton, okay? Oh, there goes somebody else with the gold. He looking like the space shuttle over here.
So
Dang, I'm in trouble.
These are the RS turbos, so they're still Audi, still OEM, but they're direct bolt-on and just an air intake, which doesn't do much, just a little bit of sound.
And some race gas. So what kind of race gas do you run?
Sunoco GT260 Plus.
GT260 Plus. Okay, that's 104 octane.
Yes, sir.
Good deal. So why do you like the 260 Plus?
It seems to go
GT?
better with the APR tunes than the MS109.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds
a lot
good.
of experimentation between the crew.
So what else have you done to it, brother?
That's it.
That's
Just
it.
some cosmetic stuff.
Just some cosmetic. Hey, GQ, come on over here, man. Come here, Frenchie. Come on. Look at it, man. This man look like he come from Spain or France or something. Man, look how tight his jacket is. You know he got to be driving a Ferrari. Oh, he got the scarf on too. Dang, that's money. That is money. Look at me. I'm out here with a damn demon hoodie on, and this man, boy, come on, man.
Get excited.
Come on, hey man, you like 007 out here, man. Tell us about your car, bro.
Just a stock 430.
Just a stock 430. Walk us around it, man. What do you love about it?
The sound.
The sound. Fire it up. I gotta hear the sound. Now you know I like to say sound don't win races, but I gotta hear this sound right here.
One guy's got 3.
Oh, that's a good growl. Oh, that scared me. I felt that in my chest. Wow. Man, that's a nice sound, brother. That's a nice sound. Hey, man, I'm a watch guy also. What kind of watch you got on, brother? Let me see your watch.
Rolex Explorer 1.
Oh, he going with the old school Rolex Explorer 1. Come on, man. He ain't got the big face on there. Nah. Come on, classic. Looking like Conor McGregor all day. Come on, man. You're doing right, brother. You're doing right.
Mr. Pilgrim! It is I, Matthew Patel. Open your eyes. Maybe you'll see.
All right, guys, check it out. Usually when I come to the drag strip, I'm doing all the soul snatching, but I ran into the soul snatcher also. Man, look at this Audi, man. He says, you're next. And he has the soul snatcher right there on this car. Man, how did you come up with this idea and this thing? What's your name, brother?
Steve.
Steve, and the Steelers. I'm not gonna hold it against him. You know, he's a Steelers fan. I'm a
Houston,
Raiders fan.
Yeah, it's a little rough for both of us.
But so how'd you come up with the concept, Steve?
We were actually looking for Halloween decorations.
Yeah.
And I saw one that said "You're next," and I'm like, that'd be hilarious to put on the side
Man,
of the car.
that is Steve. I think you're giving me an idea. Hey man, let's walk around and tell me about your car.
It's a 17 Audi RS3. And it is only at the stage 1 tune. It does have a front mount intercooler and an intake, but besides that, it's pretty stock.
It's pretty stock. Beautiful car, man. Look at all the stuff he has on there. You're next with all the souls that he snatched. Dude, guys, what do you think? You think I'm gonna have to, man, I might have to bite this off of you, man. Awesome.
That's all right.
Awesome. Hey guys, they're prepping the track for us. When me and Steve raced, the track was really slippery. As you can see, Raw Purple is taking care of us. They're jumping out and they're gonna re-prep the track again and get us going so it's sticky icky. Beautiful car, brother.
Thank you.
Love it. Hey, who did the work for you?
Custom code and IROS.
Okay, custom code and IROS. How can people get a hold of them, and do you have an Instagram?
My Instagram is Audi.Steve.
Audi.Steve?
Yes, and they can get a hold of him. IROS is out of IROS Motorsports out of Las Vegas.
Okay.
And then custom codes all over the place.
All right, there we go, guys. We have it. Oh, man, it feels like I felt a drop. Uh-oh, bad news. Huh?
Don't angle it sideways. Angle it kind of, give me like the perception that I'm hanging with you. You know?
Okay.
Give it like that angle.
Who am I running? This one? This one, okay.
I want to have as adopted babies.
All right, on your marks, everyone.
Oh man, we gotta go. What? Why?
Bailed.
I didn't get his autograph.
We better hurry up.
Man, I ain't carrying no purse.
Here.
What's wrong with this man? Want me to carry a purse? What's up with this?
Eric, and your Audi is all stock.
Absolutely.
Can you show it to us, please?
Yeah.
And what is it? The RS7.
2018 RS7 Performance.
Man, this is a beast.
Yeah.
I didn't realize how fast it is.
605 horsepower.
605 horsepower. Is that to the rear wheel or to the crank?
Probably crank.
To the crank.
Yeah.
All-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive.
Wow.
Yep.
So how does it compare up against because the BMW makes a new one that's all-wheel drive, correct?
As far as I know, yeah.
Yeah, and how does it compare to, you know?
They're probably pretty even. I haven't looked at the BMW. I'm an Audi guy. So,
Yeah. There you go. Ain't no sense in fooling with
right?
But as a matter of fact, there he is right there behind you, right?
Brand new M5.
Yeah, there you go. Right where you want him to be, the competition M5.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yep. It was a good run.
Yes, sir. Hey, we'll see you. Hopefully this little drizzle will pass over us, and we'll be back out there again.
Scott, we're gonna go to Pizza for a slice. Call us when you're done.
Oh, he'll be done real soon.
You just drank half and half, baby.
Free vegan police! No vegan diet, no vegan powers!
12:27 a.m. on February 1st. You knowingly ingested gelato.
Gelato isn't vegan.
It's milk and eggs, bitch.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.